In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Bing search history. If you'd like a little more privacy when you search, or you simply don't want your recent queries influencing suggestions, this quick setting will help. We'll walk through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open your browser and go to bing.com. You can do this in any modern browser. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account. Being signed in is important because it makes the settings stick across sessions and devices. If you see an option to sign in near the top right, click it and complete the sign in. If you already see your profile icon, you're good to go. Next, look at the top right corner of the Bing homepage for the menu or settings icon. Depending on your layout, it may look like 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger menu or a gear icon for settings. Click that to open the menu. From the menu that appears, select Search History. This opens Bing's search history page, where Microsoft gathers controls related to what Bing remembers about your queries. On this page, you'll see a list of recent searches, if any have been saved, along with controls that determine whether new searches are recorded and shown. Now find the control labeled Show New Searches here. Keep showing your new searches on this page and use them in search suggestions. This might appear as a toggle switch or a checkbox. This setting tells Bing whether to save and display new searches on this page and use them to shape suggestions as you type. Turn that setting off. If it's a toggle, click it so it moves to the off position. If it's a checkbox, uncheck it. Once this is off, Bing will stop saving and displaying your new searches on the search history page, and it won't use them for search suggestions going forward. A quick note on what this does and doesn't do. Turning off this control stops future searches from showing up here and being used in suggestions, but it doesn't delete any past searches that might already be listed. Also, this setting is specific to your Bing account activity. It's separate from your browser's history, which is managed in your browser's settings. If the option looks unavailable, confirm you're signed in, since some features are restricted when you're not. Also, managed or work accounts may enforce their own policies. That's it. With this setting switched off, your future searches won't be saved to the Bing search history page or used to tailor suggestions.